Top 5 DSLR camera under 60,000 Indian rupees. Canon EOS M50 DSLR camera is recognized as a compact interchangeable lens camera. It is found highly suitable for aspiring photographers who are looking for a convenient way to enhance the quality of their photos and videos. Through high-resolution 4K UHD 24p video, it is easy to capture all incredible details and cinematic moments. It is equipped with 24.1 MP photo resolution and 4K video resolution. With the help of built-in Wi-Fi technology and the Canon Camera Connect App 5, you can easily transfer photos and videos to and from your compatible devices. Canon EOS M200 DSLR camera allows you to shoot 4K videos with an excellent frame rate. Also, it is possible to shoot HD videos for a slow-motion effect. Using this mirrorless camera, you can give your images and videos a professional touch. You can shoot with great precision, even with moving subjects. The Canon M200 mirrorless camera is equipped with an APS-C CMOS sensor with 24.1 MP. Its touchscreen LCD can be rotated by 180 degrees. This Canon mirrorless camera comes with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. Sony Alpha A 6000 liters DSLR camera comes with a 24.3 MP XMR APS HD CMOS sensor and video resolution of UHD 4K. The ISO sensitivity range supported is 100 to 25,600. In its configuration, the BioNZax image processing engine is present. The smart image processor guarantees low noise, sharp images even without a flash. Using the Wi-Fi and NFC connectivity, it is easy to share all the captured images and recorded videos. Sony Alpha A 68K DSLR camera is famous for offering high performance in tracking the moving subjects. It is equipped with a 24.2 MP APS-C XMR CMOS sensor and comes with a video resolution of 4K. In its configuration, the BioNZax image processing engine is present. It provides fast image processing. The built-in 2.7-inch LCD screen can be easily tilted to shoot at different angles. Panasonic Lumix DMC G85 DSLR camera's durable yet lightweight body makes sure it is easy to carry around. The speed of continuous shooting is high and it allows flawless shooting experience. There is support for wireless image transferring. The built-in image processor is a CMOS sensor. There is support for quick shooting speeds up to 10 FPS through single-shot autofocus. The continuous autofocus is possible at speed up to 6 FPS. The Lumix DMC G85 comes with a 2.36 meters electronic viewfinder and a 3-inch 1.04 meters touchscreen LCD.